In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount pop-up to your Big Cartel website. This quick and straightforward process will take just about 5 minutes, so let's jump right in. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Big Cartel homepage. It's a great platform primarily designed for artists and small businesses, offering a free and easy way to set up online stores. If you're not already familiar with it, Big Cartel is an excellent choice for creatives looking to showcase and sell their work with minimal hassle. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. Go ahead and click on it to begin the login process. You'll then be prompted to enter your shop URL along with your password. Make sure these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you find yourself having trouble, double check for any typing errors or capitalization mishaps. After successfully entering your credentials, click Login to proceed to your store's dashboard. The dashboard is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your store, from inventory to promotional tools. From here, you're one step closer to adding that enticing discount pop-up to attract and retain customers. The next step is to navigate to the discounts section. On your dashboard, you should see an option labeled discounts. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage any existing promotions and, more importantly, add new ones. Now let's add a new discount. You should see an icon or button that says add a discount. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new page where you can create your discount code. Think carefully about what your code will be. Something clear and enticing works best, like welcome 20 if you're offering a 20% discount for new customers. In the description box, add a brief explanation of the discount you're offering. This could be something straightforward like enjoy 20% off your first purchase. Clarity in your description can help customers understand the offer quickly, encouraging them to use it. Once your code and description are set, look for a drop-down menu on the page. Click it and you'll see various options related to your discount. Select the one that best fits your promotional strategy. Finally, when you've entered all your details and double checked for accuracy, click the Save button. This step confirms your new discount, making it ready for customers to use when they visit your site. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added a discount pop-up to your Big Cartel store, potentially boosting sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching this tutorial.